Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to delete your Zara account. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then tap on the profile icon down below, which is the fourth option. Then go to the profile section and tap on the account button. Now if you would like to delete your account, click on delete your account, which is the last option. Then press continue if you would like to confirm the deletion of your account, but first you need to enter your login details, starting with your email address and then your password. If you are done entering these data, all you have to do is pressing the button delete account down below, and then your account will be deleted automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.